Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. This is FX Ninja. You are welcome back to the Learn and Earn channel. Right now in this video, there has been a lot of controversy over how we are being able to grow small accounts into a bigger account like the one you're seeing, and people have been having a lot of issues with their entry and exit. Today we are going to address that in this video, and I'm going to show you something very amazing. A lot of our subscribers have been asking questions that we have been able to grow smaller accounts, and now we have been able to get some smart entries like the one you are seeing before you. Look at this account. This account is $31. We are able to grow it to around $360, even $700 later on. Look at this account. This account is 92 cents, and from 92 cents this account migrated to $18. You can see it over there. This is another account, 51 cents, and it grew all the way to $30. So we have several. This is an account that started with I think this account started with okay, for $4. It grew to $77, and these accounts are not being owned by me, or by it was being owned by some of our subscribers who would tend to help them grow their accounts. So this is an account. I remember this account very well. We updated in the group that started with 54 cents, and it grew to all the way to $75. So we have a lot of them like that. Look at this account, 44 cents. From 44 cents, it's okay. From 44 cents, it grew to $5, then to $25 later on. This is an account from forex trading, because this system I'm about to reveal to you that is growing accounts like this, it's a system that you can use on any financial market at all, even cryptocurrency. You can also use it on it. So this account, you can see this is a forex account from $70. Okay, so look at what the account later grew to, from $70 to $148. So stick around, let me show you around how this system works very well. Okay, so we have a system over here, a setup that we call the Oracle indicator. This indicator is a combination of three indicators, and I'm going to name them. The first one is this panel that you are seeing over here. Okay, we have done a video about this before. You can check our first video from our channel. You see this panel, you see this arrow, and you can see this other indicator that is helping us to mark the zones. So that is the power of this setup right now. So I'm going to show you something amazing again. So one thing that this system helps us to do is that it helps us to predict rightly how the market is going to move. So from here you can see on V75S, we posted it in the group because we have a group for this system where we post the outlook of what we are expecting from the market. So we said over here, we said watch out for this zone on V75S, which is this very zone over here. We also posted this on our Telegram channel for people to watch out. Okay, and if you can see it over here, the market later respected, okay, sorry, the market, okay, this was the initial move that we projected, and the market later respected it. You can see it over here. The market came down and is currently moving up. Also on V25 volatility 25, you can see we also predicted, I think okay, we predicted it over here. Okay, before it fell, we said it's going to move down. Okay, and price will move back up, then go back down, and you can see it over here. Price is moving exactly like we said. And one thing is that we are not interested in this pullback. We are only interested in the sell continuation. So that was what we took from the group, because from this panel over here, it is telling us that the main bias is down square. You can see, so the cycle, what we are expecting for the expansion is the down arrow. So we got a down arrow over here, so, and we sold down massively. So let me show you the interface of the indicator once again. This is how it looks. Okay, so over here on V75S right now, price is pulling back, and from this panel what we are being told is that V75 is a buy. It's a buy. So we are not interested in the pullback. We are only interested in getting a confirmation to buy. Okay, a confirmation to buy. We have a projection, something that just played out on VIX75. Okay, on VIX75. All right, if you look at VIX75 currently has been selling over time. Okay, has been selling, and right now this panel told us that right now is a time for us to buy. Is a time for us to start buying VIX75. So that means the sell phase has elapsed, so we are looking to buy. So right now we have an arrow here for buy, we have another arrow here for buy. Currently we are having a pullback, so right now we are expecting price to give we are expecting the system to give us an arrow over here so that we can buy VIX75. And as you can rightly see, that this indicator has already indicated that this place is a buy entry. And if you look very well, you can see an order block over here. After this fair value gap, you can see an order block, and you can see price already rejecting over here. That means very soon or later we'll get an arrow to buy VIX75, and we can buy all the way to this place or to here, and we can buy VIX75. Now if you look at this system very well, look at this sell entry. That this system doesn't just give a sell entry like that. There are reasons why it gives sell entry. If you look at it very well, you will notice that there is a fair value gap over here. If you are familiar with smart money concept, you know that this is there is a fair value gap over here, and price tap into that fair value gap, and that is why it is rejecting. And right now there has been a shift in market structure from here. You can see it over here, and that is what price is tapping into this breaker block so that it can move back up. This is not just an ordinary indicator, it is an indicator that is coded with a price action. And majorly these indicators also work on, you know, on crash. It works on boom. Also, this is boom 600. You can see this very alert to buy, and you can see right now boom 600. Before you trade at all, what you have to look at is this very panel over here before you trade. So you want to know what the bias is. So majorly boom 600 is on sell. So like as it's coming here right now, we are expecting a sell arrow so that we can sell down. Okay, so if you notice that this very zone here broke a structure, definitely if price is returning back to that structure, we should expect a sell. Okay, so that is why you can see this has told us that price is going to sell. We are expecting a sell over here, or price can use this as a liquidity sweep, and okay, we can get a sell maybe from here. Be that as it may, we are going to get an arrow for confirmation. That is why the system is very unique, because you are going to get a signal that is going to tell you either to sell or to buy. And this is one of the major things that people are really struggling with, how to buy and sell. And also you also get targets, you also get your stop loss, okay, and you get take profit using this system. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, make sure you are subscribed right now to our YouTube channel and also our Telegram channel. You get the description to our Telegram channel in the description of this very video. So be sure you have this system so that you can be very profitable. Also, you can see it on Forex market. This is GBP USD. Okay, so you can also use it to trade on Forex market. As time goes on, we are going to be doing videos about it on Forex market. You can see the sell arrow over here, the sell signal over here, and you can see this has helped us to identify zone, okay, so that you know that this is a zone for a sell. Okay, so that is it about this system, guys. So make sure you get a copy. And how do you do that? You are going to go into the description of this very video, and you will see a link there to join our Telegram channel, and you can download your copy from our Telegram channel. Contact the admin and you are going to be able to get your own very copy. Before I go, I would like to tell you that this indicator is very profitable, especially on boom and crash. Boom and crash. If you are using the system currently on C500, we are expecting a signal. Okay, you can see it over here. We are expecting a signal on crash 500 because if you can see very well what price is doing, this zone over here broke this structure here. So as price is returning there, we are expecting a sell. Okay, if it's going to sell from here, we are going to get an arrow. If it's not going to sell from here, maybe from here we are also going to get an arrow. Price might use this place as a sweep of liquidity and move down to this zone. Either way, we are going to get an arrow for us. So you can see the current signal, which is a buy signal, took from this very zone. You can see how profitable that is. So you can buy all the way from here. You can see the take profit is 3419. So it means price is still going up, but we are not going to take this buy signal. You know why? Because over here the main buy house is what? Is a downtrend. So thank you for watching our video. Till I come your way again, I'm FX Ninja. Bye for now.